Hey guys, I'm Ryan, and this year for Halloween, I'm making a graveyard cake. This video is sponsored by King's Hawaiian, and I'm using their Hawaiian sweet rolls to make French toast, which I'm layering between each cake layer. For the decorations, I made gravestones out of chocolate bars and also decorated with other spooky candy. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the cake are King's Hawaiian sweet rolls, long cookie sticks, chocolate bars that are cut in half, some crushed up cake from earlier, assorted candy. I have edible hands, gummy worms, marshmallow ghosts. You'll also need cinnamon, vanilla extract, eggs, and milk. For frosting, you'll need green buttercream, chocolate buttercream, and white buttercream. As for the cakes, I baked one cake in a 9x13 pan and then I cut it in half, and that's what I have here. First, I made the French toast. I started off by separating each of the rolls and cutting them in half. Although I'm using them for a sweet recipe today, these King's Hawaiian rolls also work great with savory recipes, and you can customize them however you want and make your very own Halloween recipes. I can't wait to see all the creative ideas that you guys come up with. I also linked in the description below some more recipe ideas from King's Hawaiian. Now use tongs to dip each King's Hawaiian sweet roll into the batter and then place it on a plate. After that, place each piece of soaked bread onto a greased skillet on medium heat. Now to make the gravestone, pipe white chocolate in the letters RIP, and also, as you can see, I attached 2 toothpicks to the back with white chocolate as well. Then insert both of the gravestones, and in front of them scoop cake crumbs. This is supposed to look like dirt. To make the graveyard look extra spooky, I decorated it with candy hands, gummy worms, and a couple marshmallow ghosts. And there you have it, the graveyard cake is done. All that's left now is to cut into it and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below.